Hi guys, what's up, it's your girl Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this homemade Mauby drink recipe. Super delicious, bittersweet, must try Caribbean drink. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some Mauby. So I have some Mauby bark there, so you're going to need that. You're also going to need some aniseed. So I have some aniseeds there. If you don't have aniseed, you can use star anise as an alternative. You're also going to need some cinnamon sticks. So I have 2 of them. Some cloves, just a small amount, like 6 of them should be okay. You're also going to need some water, a sweetener of your choice. I'm using maple syrup, but you can use a granulated one if you want to instead, and also some orange peel. So the first thing that we need to do is to make the Mauby concentrate or concentrated Mauby. So I have a large saucepan here, and I'm just going to add some water. I'm also going to add the Mauby bark, the cinnamon sticks, cloves, aniseed, and the orange peel. And once I add all of those, I'm just going to increase the heat to high, bring it to boiling point, and then I'll show you what to do next. So now that the pot has reached boiling point, what I'm going to do now is to reduce the heat to medium low, and I'm just going to allow this to simmer for about 15 minutes. So the pot's been simmering for about 15 minutes now, so what I'm just going to do is just going to switch it off. So now I've removed the pot from the stove, and I'm just going to put the lid on and leave the Mauby to steep overnight. So I'm just going to show you guys what the Mauby looks like after I left it overnight. So I removed the lid, and I'm just going to get a spoon and show you guys that it has a much deeper color. That's pretty much what it should look like now. So what I'm going to do now is strain off the liquid, because that is what we're going to be using. So I have a large sieve here, or strainer, and I'm just going to just pour the liquid through that, just to make sure that the ingredients that we use don't go into the Mauby concentrate. So I'm just going to pour that out and separate it, and then just put it to the side. So this is what your Mauby concentrate should look like, and I'm just going to show you how to make a glass of drink. So I have a jug here now, and I'm going to show you how to make some Mauby drink if you wanted to make quite a few glasses. So you just want to add a small amount of the Mauby, and then the rest of it is going to be water. So it's almost like 1 part Mauby, and the remaining part will be water. So Mauby is very concentrated, it's quite strong, so you really want to just add as much water and just do a taste test. And then you also want to add your sweetener. So this is going to make you multiple glasses in this jug that I'm showing you here. And then I'm going to show you if you wanted to make 1 single glass, the same sort of thing as well, but I'll show you on camera. So if you wanted to make just a single glass of Mauby, then it would be the same type of thing. Again, I use a very small amount of Mauby, so you want to use no more than about 1/4 cup of the Mauby concentrate that we made at the beginning. So you just want to pour that into the glass, and then you want to just add quite a lot of water, because as I said, it has a bitter taste to it. So if you don't want it, even though you do sweeten it, but you still want to add a quantity of water. So just add the water, and then you add your sweetener. And that is how you make Mauby drink, a super simple must try Caribbean bittersweet drink. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the other side.